Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and prep my social media planner for the month of June. And I'm actually going to be using and planning for my monthly section. And I like to use my monthly and my currently section for goal settings. And so the sticker books that I want to use for both of these is this detail floral sticker book and this rainbow mega sticker book as well. And I'm going to be tying in some colorful boxes. And so if you have been following me for a while and watched some of my social media planning videos or maybe my social media series, then you know how I use the currently section. But since I have quite a few new Tea Party Squad members, yes, we have quite a few, I wanted to go ahead and just explain my thought process as far as how I keep up with it. So if you're getting into social media planning and maybe wanting some ideas or tips, I'm glad to just share my process. But for the currently section, I mainly use this to gather end of the month stats, maybe like my top videos. I also keep in my goals. I may set 2 or 3 goals for YouTube that I want to achieve. And I did find myself not doing much with Instagram other than just notating my follower count. But I actually started paying more attention to what I post on Instagram, and I want to start notating what I post. I want to, the same way as I map out my YouTube content, I also want to map out my Instagram content and do that as well and keep a track of certain things. So mainly use this currently section just for those kind of end of the month. I may put little notes and other things that I may come across, just to kind of reflect back on at the end of the month. And I, from time to time during the week or so, I do go in, and kind of write in like little notes or things I want to remember in that currently section. And so that's what I mainly use that for. And so here at this bottom section, I am going to start using that for my Instagram monthly goals. And then here at the top, I'm going to keep a track of my top 3 videos as well as the views that it has gotten. And I may change this one because I think I want to maybe do maybe 3. I may want to try to do like my top 4 or top 5 videos for the month of June, but we will see. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. So now here is my monthly section. Now I am a visual person, so I enjoy planning out my monthly because it just shows me an overview of what I want to post for YouTube. And now I'm going to be doing that as well for Instagram. So I'm really excited about that. But since I'm a visual person, I really love just planning out and mapping out all my videos for the month. And how I do that is the month before, I kind of figure out what I want to do, and any video ideas that come to mind, I do write them down in my video content ideas list that I have that's kind of separate from this. I write all those down, and so I will go in my video content idea list, and I will look at those content lists, and then I will just kind of transfer them onto my monthly, and that has been working out so well for me. I absolutely love it. Now, I have noticed though, and if you're new to planning, it's okay, but I have noticed that my social media style has changed a lot. And it's okay if your planning style, your social media, how you plan for things change. But recently, I've noticed that, it has changed a lot. And so, when I started YouTube, I did do a social media planning series, which I'll try to link somewhere here in the video. And I enjoy all of the process of everything, just mapping out all of that. And it just made me feel very productive, just mapping out all my content. And so, with this monthly section, um, I do like to use that sidebar just for notating different things. Either it could be, you can use that for like goal settings, things that you want to remember, things you want to do, collabs that are coming up. I have so much going on for the month of June. This is why I need to go ahead and plan, write things out, and I just enjoy this whole process. But I do like to add a little deco, of course, just to make it look pretty, make it look appealing to kind of, want to come back and look at. Now, if there is something that you would like to see here at my tea party, feel free to comment down below. what you would like to see, and I will gladly add that to my video content ideas list and incorporate that in some upcoming videos. And, I always love to shout out my subscribers because y'all like family. So, I love a good shout out. And so if I end up taking one of your idea suggestions, I will shout you out and thank you for those suggestions. Because when I did my social media planning series, that was something that a few of my subscribers wanted to see. And so that was one of my most popular videos. And so I thoroughly thank those who requested those videos because those were awesome to film. And I did those in, I think, about 3 or 4 parts. I may have done more, but I will link that video so you can check that out once you're done with this video. And so right now what I'm doing is just going ahead using some of these colorful boxes out of that Rainbow Mega Sticker Book. And I'm just using those boxes just to pretty much map out my schedule. My schedule for YouTube right now is Tuesdays and Saturdays. That's when you should expect videos to come out for me. Every now and then I may pop in a bonus video in there. I'm trying to be a little bit more strategic as to planning out my bonus videos. And I haven't been doing that. It's just however I felt that day. If I felt like doing an extra video, either it's a sticker book flip through, a DIY, something that I've learned and I want to just share, I will post those videos. But I want to be a little bit more strategic. So I am going to see if I can try to map out just some bonus videos in between. But I do like my schedule just being Tuesdays and Saturdays. That space just gives me enough time to kind of, think about the content that I want to create, and also taking my time and preparing for those contents, because I do want to deliver nice, encouraging, helpful tips and content that you would love to watch and want to watch and share with some of your planner friends. And so I just love using these type of boxes because it gives me room to write in my title of my content. And then also if I want to, I also do this at the end of the month, is I go in my monthly and I do write all of my views, the total amount. I don't really do nothing with it, but I just like to just write down the stats for the video viewing. But you don't have to do that. I just write it just to kind of have something to fill in that space. But from time to time, I do go back and look to see how that video has grown from that month to the next month. But you don't have to really track that. That's just something that I just want to include in there. But yeah, so for the most part, it looks like for the month of June, I should be doing about 9 videos. And here is where I'm using these smaller colorful boxes. And I'm actually going to be doing like the color coding system with this. My bonus videos, I have it scheduled to come out on Thursdays, but that may change. But I just like to see an overview of how my schedule is going to look. If I feel this is going to be too much, and I know I can maneuver some things around. But for the most part, my schedule, Tuesdays and Saturdays for main videos are going to be always those days. So another helpful tip that I want to share is, and it has helped me map out my videos. And my other task is using the color coding system that I just mentioned. It really has helped me maneuver how and when I want to post certain things, and just giving those certain tasks and different tasks, those color coding. It just helps to see what you're able to post, how it's going to affect your next post, that sort of thing. And so I'm still learning because I'm still new to YouTube. I'm still learning Instagram slowly. Your girl I'm just like starting to learn Instagram, y'all. It's like really bad. So I just recently did some updates on my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you should be. I'm starting to add more things to my Instagram highlights, which I have started to learn how to do that. And I'm also adding some things to my bio link. So make sure you go check out my link in my Instagram account, because you will get to know more about me, where I post, I share my planner story. I share my Pinterest page, some of my top videos that some of you guys love to watch. I post those there. So please go check that out. I really had a fun time creating that. And I don't know why it took me so long to actually just go ahead and post it on my Instagram. But I finally went ahead and shared it. And so I can't wait for you guys to check that out. But for the color coding system, it has worked for me. Also, I wanted to mention that for my filming schedule, I am placing there those yellow stickers for Sunday and Wednesday. I'm sorry, Sunday and Thursday for my filming. Right now, I feel like when I film on Thursday, when I'm filming on Thursday, I'm filming for the following week. So I kind of, be ahead of the game. And so that's what I want to start doing. But I just enjoy it. It just helps me see an overview. But if I don't get to plan or film on Sunday, then I can also film on Monday, and it still give me that time to still have time to put up my video for Tuesday and have it ready. So yeah. Now, along with this whole planning out my videos, because June is going to be a busy month because I am participating in a few planner challenges. For instance, like the color coding is allowing me to schedule out my videos for the entire month. It's like, just like with YouTube. And so whenever I participate in a planner challenge or a collab, I like to write that down as well. And so that gives me enough room to do that. And I just love how everything looks. So that's my currently section. I love how it is. It's very simple, but I still have enough room to kind of write down certain things. And then here is my monthly. Of course, like I said, that left side and that sidebar, I am going to use that top little task for my YouTube goals. And then the bottom one is going to be for Instagram. And then I do list my filming schedule. My Instagram posts are going to be in that pink that you saw me. If you look at the bottom here, you'll see like I have a little key section here, but the Tuesday and Saturday are my filming schedule days. I have videos uploading. And then down here is where I keep like what those color codes stand for. So it's like a key kind of thing. So I do love that. And I love that section. I'm going to go ahead and write that in like a little key to some of my color coding, what those stand for. And I absolutely love it. So I have 2 planner challenges that I'm doing. And I'm also possibly going to be maybe squeezing in a collab. I'm not for sure. But I'm still trying to get everything together with that. But we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't go well for this month, then I will try to push it on for next month. But I absolutely love it. The filming schedule, like I said, I love it. A lot of us do our filming schedules on Sundays, but I figured let me go ahead and incorporate that at least 2 times out of the week, just in case I need to. And so it's been working for me. And so I hope you guys enjoyed my planning for my social media in my June monthly and my currently section. I absolutely enjoy planning for my social media, as you guys may know. And because of still social distancing and this COVID-19, I rarely have much to put into my household planner, but I do try to take pictures and share that on Instagram. So again, please make sure you go check my Instagram page out as well, and also my milkshake website on Instagram. But I love how this turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoyed this video and that you want to see more of how I plan for social media. And if you are new here to my tea party, hello and welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video as well. And if you did, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so your girl would know that you joined my tea party. Thanks for watching.